Hello guys, welcome back to CAD. In today's video we are going to learn how to create Siemens account. We'll also download and install the free student edition of NX 2026 CAD CAM software. If you're ready, let's get started. Open your browser. Here type in Google, Siemens Student Software. Click on the first link, NX Download Free for Students. Scroll down. Here is NX Student Free Edition. To download it, initially we have to log in our account. So click on Login. If you have a Siemens account, just type your email and then simply click Continue. If you don't have, just click on Create One. Here you have to enter your information. Type here your first name. Then type your last name. Choose here organization type. Type here your university name. Select here your country. Enter here your email address. Select the terms and conditions. Click Continue. In case of you already have a Siemens account, just click on Login. Type here your email address, then click on Continue. Type here the password. Click Login. Account successfully logged in. Here is the NX Free Student Edition. Just click on Try Now. Software is loading. This account is valid for 1 year. Click on Download Software. Scroll down. Here is our required NX setup zip file. Double-click on it. Here we see Setup zip file is being downloading. Wait a little to complete the file downloading process. Setup file downloading is completed. Now click on this folder. Right-click on File. Click Extract here. Zip file is being extracting. Extraction completed. Now open this folder. Scroll down. Click on Setup File. Click Run. Click OK. Click Next. Again Next. Click Install. Wait a little for Setup Wizard installation progress to be completed. Installation process completed. Click Finish. Minimize. Click here and search NX. Click on it. Here we see we have successfully installed NX Free Edition for students. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.